Hey guys, Yolanda here with Fort Worth Indian. Hey, a lot of people have been asking me about a couple of different things, and I wanted to create a video to kind of show you guys some easy things on key fob maintenance. So, go to your bike, you see that dreaded little key fob symbol saying, hey, battery's probably dead in your key fob. Sometimes they become unmarried and we have to reprogram them back to the motorcycle. We always have to have the key fob codes. On your Challenger, Pursuit, Chief, Sport Chief, any model that has this particular key fob, it's pretty easy to do. I want to just show you some recommendations what not to do. So we're going to change out the battery on this particular one. So first off, you have this button right here. If you go ahead and press that, your key is going to come out. You're also going to see this little badging. It's, like I said, the Indian logo right there. So really what you want to do, you got to have the proper tools. To use my Bowie knife. Anything can work, actually. I'm just satire. Come on, guys. So I usually take this. If you hit that button and pry this particular thing up, you'll see that that little badge actually pops off. Then there's your key fob battery. It's 3-volt battery. You can get it pretty much anywhere. We keep them in stock. The other thing I wanted to point out to you is the key code. So for your bikes, we have this, and hopefully if my phone can focus, you have some digits right here, and it's called your FID number. So we need your FID number to program this key fob to your motorcycle. So that's how you do that. Do not pry this open. This does not pry open. You shouldn't have to access the motherboard for any particular reason. So just FYI, that's how you do it. Pretty easy. If you don't want to cut your fingers off, go ahead and just use a flathead screwdriver. Shout out Snap-on. Okay, so there's that one. Pop that back on, slip this back in, ready to rock and roll. We also have this particular key fob. A little bit different. It's your two button fob. This one's pretty standard on Chieftains, Roadmasters. This one you do actually have to pry open. So don't forget, there's a little screw on the back. Use your Phillips head. Come on. You're going to go ahead and take that screw piece out. Again, like I said, there it is. You actually can get replacement cases for these if you ever drop it, crack it, step on it, whatever. Accidents happen. Okay, so see that's out. There is a little tab right here. Again, take your flathead, or like I said, your Bowie knife, just don't cut your fingers off. You're going to pry that open. Once you pry it open, there you are. That's how you change out your key fob battery. Don't break it. These are not cheap. If you do break it, do have them in stock. Anywhere from $2-ish to $400-ish. These are expensive. Don't break them. Once you change out your battery, go ahead and put that back in. You're going to snap this all back together. You'll hear that nice satisfying snap. Go ahead and do your screw back in place. The beauty about this is it holds that screw in place so you don't lose it. Because imagine trying to find that thing. I already have binoculars, so. That goes back in. You're done. There you are. Let us know if you have any questions. If for some reason these come unmarried, you can use your master pin. Most bikes have it. We can pull it if you need to. Show you how to change it as well. Got any questions? Just give us a call. Fort Worth Indian. Thanks, guys.